Okay, just lower down with me, please.
Alright. I need a safety pilot and takeoff recovery pilot to transfer control to GCO. Alright, set aircraft down, remove VW cover. Wind speed check. Camera, HD camera.
Okay, turn on the HD camera and go to record, please.
Clear prop.
Execute state delta.
On state delta.
State delta is executed, stand by. 45 knot run. Aircraft is in sight, 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Fly up straight. Terminate. Fly up, terminate.
Flight complete. UIO, you're cleared. Mode on.
Mode on.
Mode is on. Stand by for Charlie. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Fly up left.
1, 0.
Terminate.
Run complete.